Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Assembla Actions Automation for workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then you click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with your installation, reload the page and search for the custom page of the app and click on it. This interface is going to pop up with all its necessary credentials, such as the documentation, and everything you need to get started with the app is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video and the configuration walkthrough video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to complete your app configuration. We have the setup. No worries, let's walk you through on how to connect this app. Click on Start Setup and you will be required an API key and an API secret key. Let's head to our account which we've created online. You click on your profile and click on My Profile. Click on API Applications and Sessions. You give a short description and you toggle on the access, API and the repository access. Click on Create. Copy our key, head back to the account and you paste. Then you click on Show to show your secret key. Copy the secret key and you paste. Click on Complete Setup and your app will be successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request via a ticket and as well schedule a one-on-one video session with our support team. And the changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To receive notifications, toggle on the button, insert your email and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.